Before you begin, remove the access panel, the drives cage, and the heatsink. Removal. Press down to release the CPU load lever from its retention tab and pull it back. Lift the load plate off the socket. Identify pin 1 on the socket by the mark on the corner of the socket stencil. Carefully remove the CPU from the socket. Place the CPU in an anti-static bag. Note: use of an Intel CPU removal replacement tool is recommended for all regions and required in some regions. Replacement. To replace the CPU, first identify the pin 1 position on the microprocessor by noting the yellow mark on the corner of the chip assembly. Identify pin 1 on the socket on the motherboard by the mark on the corner of the socket stencil. Align the yellow mark on the corner of the CPU chip assembly with the mark on the corner of the socket stencil on the motherboard. Carefully place the CPU into the socket on the motherboard. Swing the load plate down. Lock the load lever under its retaining tab to secure the microprocessor in place.